Did Iran win too many concessions while giving up too little? Secretary of State John Kerry says no.
The United Nations resolution, which brought about the sanctions in the first place, said that if Iran will suspend its enrichment and come to negotiations, all the sanctions will be lifted. Now, they've done more than just come to negotiations. They've actually negotiated a deal.
Key lawmakers remain unconvinced and angry the United Nations could approve the deal before Congress has a chance to weigh in.
The president is going to go to the UN Security Council Tuesday before Congress has done its work. I mean, at just a base level, that's highly problematic. I'm very concerned that with all that's happened, what that's going to mean is that they're going to be agreeing to an agreement that they don't even know they can implement.
Not so, according to Kerry.
They have a right to have a vote, but we prevailed on them to delay the implementation of that vote out of respect for our Congress.
Even some Democrats most loyal to President Barack Obama are not committing to a yes vote.
We have 2 months, and we're going to use that time to better understand this. And I respect the fact that this is not an easy decision for members to make, and I plan to take the time to understand it before I make my decision.
The president will need the backing of Cardin and others to prevent Congress from overriding his veto of likely congressional votes disapproving the deal.
This deal will make America and the world safer and more secure. Still, you're going to hear a lot of overheated and often dishonest arguments about it in the weeks ahead.
Meanwhile, Iran's supreme leader and top cleric pledged to continue his country's assertive role across the Middle East, adding that, should war come, the United States would suffer humiliation. Michael Bowman, VOA News, Washington.